What's up, peeps? Back at it again. K&R, cooking with K&R. On today's episode, I think you guys will be a little excited. We're going to be air frying stuff again, but I think what we're going to do today is stuffed meatballs and some bacon wrapped asparagus. Some of the things you're going to need. We're going to throw some parmesan into this mix. So, fresh asparagus, some ground chuck. You can pick whichever. We've got a 73 by 27. I kind of like the little bit more fat. A block of Crystal Farms mozzarella. We're going to block this up. Then we got the bacon. Now, what also I'm thinking about doing is taking the bacon and wrapping around a couple of the meatballs too. Now, as far as seasonings go, that's a friggin' cooker's choice, chef's choice. But I think we're just going to stick simple and do some salt and pepper and just let the bacon and the mozzarella kind of do its thing. But you're going to want to stick around for this. I promise you, it's going to be delish. See you in a few.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading.
All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our cheese all cubed up. Oh, cheese or chunkies? Got them all rolled up. Some have a little bit more cheese in them than the others. Plus, I've been eating the cheese.
Have you seasoned?
Not yet. So, to season them, you guys might like this. So, this has become one of my favorite ones. It's called Sal and Piminin. Anyways, this has actually got black pepper, Himalayan salt, white pepper, and green pepper. Parmesan. They're gonna come out pretty dang good. Almost dropped them. Anyways, once again, running out of room. I think come on now. Really think I'm gonna make this and not wrap something in bacon like this? All right. So, stick around, man. We're gonna get these all put into the air fryer, get them all cooked up, see what's cracking. Okay, we got the air fryer all set up. Alright, so this one we're going to put up here kind of close to the top because that'll cook more. We're going to put my concoctions with the bacon wrapped cheese. We'll put the last two meatballs and that. So, we're gonna get this bad boy started. See how they come out. Okay, so what we've done with the burgers, ooh, it fogged up. Well, we got the burgers and the bacon wrapped cheese on top. Then we got the meatballs down below. But because we ran out of space, even as big as this thing is. But we have it on 350. I had it on for 20 minutes. So we're gonna check it after that and see how everything's cracking. Okay, so we got the asparagus in there, and the meatballs on the below are still cooking. I just want to make sure they're still, but look, the bacon wrapped cheese came out, and a couple of the meatballs came out. So let's just cut them up and let's check them out. All right, so we just got the bacon out, the bacon wrapped cheese, nice and crispy. And then these are a couple of the meatballs that we pulled out. The other ones are still cooking. The reason why I pulled these out sooner is because they were up on top and there's more heat accumulating. If anybody knows anything about air fryers, the further down it is, not as much as of the heat hits it. It still cooks it, but not as powerful as it is on top, if that makes any sense. Anyways, I say we check out the bacon wrapped cheese.
I mean, that cheese is gonna be hot.
See a little bit of cheese in there.
Is that ridiculous?
I just said that anything wrapped in bacon seems to be just phenomenal. Well, let's take a look at that. There it is. Stuffed meatballs. Look at that cheese just melting out of there. Let's flip those up so that cheese kind of stays in there for a minute.
1, 2. There
You want me to do it or you want random stranger to do it?
Go for it. Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
Holy mackerel. Alright, so you got the cheese flavoring, you've got the Himalayan salt and the pepper, and you got the Parmesan cheese wrapped in there. Bro, to tell you that it's just ridiculous, man. This is... And you know what the other cool thing is? Take a bite of the bacon, add a little bacon flavor into it. But man, I think once again I killed it.
Stick around for more.
Boy. Alright. Here they are. Look at them bad boys. And our asparagus wrapped in bacon. We're going to let that go for just a little bit longer.
Yeah, I like my bacon crispy on my asparagus.
Crispy bacon. Couple more minutes. Now, we got a little bit of asparagus left here. So for some of the people that may not be as bacon crazy as we are, what I would recommend: buttery pan, doesn't have to be crazy. Salt and pepper. The reason why I put the buttery pan on there, again, we're doing it in the air fryer. I mean, if I was going to do it in a skillet, I would just put some olive oil down. And we like to put a little Parmesan cheese on it for some flavoring. And here in a minute, we'll throw that into the air fryer, let that crisp up. And so, yeah. So there it is, the asparagus. Salt, pepper, green pepper, and Parmesan cheese. And then, there's that gloriousness. Oh, bacon wrapped asparagus. And then we're going to throw these up here. And into the air fryer. Hey, look, who's back?
For some reason, he always thinks that I need to have a fork. So, as you guys remember, Random Stranger needs to eat less carbs. So, we're going to start with this asparagus.
Bacon wrapped asparagus. Little bit of salt and pepper on there. Not much. And then the cheese stuffed meatball. Anyways, as far as flavor goes, slamming.
This is fantastic.
So I think we got a home run. So, like I said, you can add any type of sauce you'd like to the meatballs if you'd like. They do have marinara sauce that is more keto friendly than normal, I guess. I don't know. We're still learning all this keto stuff. I'm just trying to cut back carbs and whatnot. Trying to eat healthier with this RV life. But just some more ideas I was tossed around in my head and hope you guys enjoy. But stick around for these sessions of cooking with K&R. I think.
Thanks for dinner, babe.
Yeah. I lost my train of thought.
Bye, guys.
Well, we love you, man. We appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hang out for more. Let us know down in the comments if you're enjoying it, if you're learning anything from it, or if there's anything that I could change or add to it, because we're still learning. So anything and everything that you guys might know, we always appreciate any type of advice.
And if you feel like somebody else would benefit from one of our videos, please do share it out.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, if you think somebody else would enjoy it or whatnot. But anyways, we appreciate you guys. Thanks for sticking around with us, and then hope you enjoyed, and love you. See you next time. Deuces.